Ever wonder how Instagram has transformed from a photo-sharing app to a digital marketing powerhouse? It's all about Instagram marketing. Instagram marketing is the savvy practice of promoting products, services, or brands on the Instagram platform. It's a crucial component of social media marketing, and it's unique. Why? Because it's visual. It's about showing, not telling. It's about giving your audience a glimpse into your brand's world, telling your story through engaging visuals. You see, Instagram isn't just about selfies or food snaps anymore. It's a platform where businesses big and small, influencers and creatives can showcase their offerings in a visually compelling way. It's a place to connect, engage, and convert your audience all through the power of visual storytelling. From your favorite brands to small businesses, everyone's utilizing Instagram marketing to reach their audience in a visually appealing way. So, why do businesses and individuals use Instagram for marketing? Here's why. At its core, Instagram marketing serves four main purposes. First, it's a platform for building brand awareness. Through the use of visual content, businesses are able to showcase their brand's personality and values, making them more relatable to their audience. Second, it's a tool for driving traffic. With direct links in bios and stories, businesses can easily guide users to their websites or online stores. Third, it's a medium for engaging with your audience. The interactive nature of Instagram allows businesses to build a loyal community through likes, comments, and direct messages. And finally, it's a vehicle for generating leads and sales. Through compelling content and targeted ads, businesses can effectively convert followers into customers. So, in essence, Instagram marketing offers a unique and effective way to connect with your audience, drive traffic, and ultimately increase sales. Now that we understand what Instagram marketing is and what it's for, let's identify the essential items you'll need to excel. First up, high-quality visual content. Instagram is a visual platform, so crisp, captivating photos and videos are your ticket in. Next, you'll need a well-defined strategy. This includes a thought-out posting schedule, content themes, and clearly set goals. Thirdly, engaging captions are a must. They should be a blend of informative, entertaining, or inspirational, and always capture your brand's tone. Next, we have hashtags. Relevant hashtags can help your content reach beyond your immediate followers and tap into larger communities. Lastly, and very importantly, is Instagram Analytics. This feature, known as Instagram Insights, lets you measure your performance, understand what's working, and what needs tweaking. With these tools in your arsenal, you're well on your way to mastering Instagram marketing. Want to become the best at Instagram marketing? Here's what you need to do. First, understand your target audience. Know their likes, dislikes, and challenges. This understanding will help you create content that truly resonates with them. Second, consistency is key. Maintaining a regular posting schedule keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Third, engage authentically. Respond to your followers' comments and messages genuinely. Remember, Instagram is a platform for building relationships, not just selling products. Fourth, stay updated. Instagram's algorithms and features are always evolving. To stay ahead, you need to keep learning and adapting. Lastly, consider investing in Instagram ads. They can help you reach a wider audience and achieve specific marketing goals more quickly. With dedication, consistency, and a keen understanding of your audience, you can become a pro at Instagram marketing.